going on, boys and girls club? Coach Mohar back with another triple play body activity. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to do handstands. So there's a lot of progressions that you can do with handstands, but in order to really start, what I always encourage, put your hands on the ground, find a wall behind you, and just sort of walk your feet up, and your hands back, until you feel like you can get to the point to where you're just about to tip over, and then hold it, and then with your fingers and your palms, so you don't tip over, just trying to hit the ground. And if you do feel like you're gonna fall over, just turn sideways and land with your feet. And just do that a couple times, maybe for a couple days. This takes a long time to learn. Do that for a decent bit until you feel comfortable with it being upside down, because your body has to get used to it. Even if your mind is, your body still isn't. So do it until your body feels good with it, and then you can start really doing handstands. Now if you start getting used to that, something else you can do, this gets a lot harder, is you can start doing handstands on top of objects. So what I've got here, I've got a lightweight chair. You just put this on the ground, got nothing else on it, just a chair, and you can do handstands on this for good practice. And again, anytime you want to fall, you just want to make sure that you turn and that you land on your feet. Moving on, the final bit of balance I can teach you for these handstands. If you want to just practice balancing maybe 1 foot, but if you have something even more advanced such as a slack line, this is a really great way to learn the balance that you need for handstands. Accuracy, the precision that you need, it's all here in slackline. So if you can, they're like $20, $30, maybe convince your parents to go get one. If not, you can just practice 1 foot on the ground and just balance as long as you can. But slacklines are a great tool. Very difficult as well. These will definitely help improve your handstand game. And eventually, if you get good enough, you might be able to even do a handstand on top of the slack line. But trust me, that looks impressive. Even I can barely do it only for a second. But watch this.